こんにちは。ぼっちです。I'm Bocchi. ポッチです。I'm Pochi. Let's learn Japanese with Bocchi and Bocchi. In this video, we're gonna learn how to order food at street food stalls in Japanese. Wow, sounds so exciting! Are you ready? Let's begin! Eating out at Yatai. Yatai is a street food stall in Japan. You see them a lot during festival season, and it's where you can find yummy food. First of all, let's learn the names of the popular food sold at Yatai. Have you ever seen this before? It's called Yakitori. Yakitori is grilled chicken skewers made with bite-sized pieces of chicken. They are so yummy. Yakitori. Yakitori. The next food is yakisoba. Yakisoba is fried noodles. Hey, what does yaki mean? Both yakitori and yakisoba start with yaki. Good question. Yaki means basically cooked over direct heat. Yaki shows up in the names of many Japanese dishes that are grilled or pan-fried. That's handy to know. Yakisoba, yakisoba, yakitori, yakisoba, yakitori, yakisoba. Next, we are learning takoyaki. Tako means octopus in Japanese. So, is takoyaki a grilled octopus? Well, not quite. Takoyaki is a bowl-shaped snack fried on a cast-iron pan. It's made of wheat flour-based butter with small octopus pieces in it. It's best served with mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, and bonito flakes. Wait, what are bonito flakes? They are fish shavings made of dried and smoked skipjack tuna fish. In Japanese, they are called katsuobushi. They are so yummy! Japanese love seafood, don't they? Takoyaki. Takoyaki. Next, we have okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a savory Japanese pancake filled with shredded cabbage. Okonomi means as you like it, so just like its name. Okonomiyaki can be cooked based on your liking. You can choose from different ingredients, such as pork, seafood, vegetables, cheese, and noodles. Okonomiyaki, okonomiyaki, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, takoyaki, okonomiyaki. Time to review. Yakitori, yakitori, yakisoba, yakisoba, takoyaki, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, okonomiyaki. Next, we have kakigori. Kakigori is shaved ice topped with flavored syrup. There are various flavors you can choose from: strawberries, melon, lemon, Coke, condensed milk. You choose! Kakigori is a very popular dessert in the hot summer season. At last, we have Watame, cotton candy. Wata means cotton, and ame means candy. So, Watame is literally cotton candy. Watame, Watame, kakigori, Watame, kakigori, Watame. Do you remember what this is called? That's right! Yakitori, yakitori. And this is called... It starts with yaki. You got it! Yakisoba, yakisoba. How about this? Okonomiyaki, okonomiyaki. You are doing great. Keep going. What are they? Do you remember? They are takoyaki. Takoyaki. What's this cold dessert called? Aha! Kakigori. Kakigori. How about this fluffy sweet? That's right. Watame. Watame. Great job! Yakitoriをください. Please give me yakitori. Or, can I have yakitori please? Something をください means please give me something. When you want to ask for something, say をください. を is an object marker, so you put を after an object. In this case, the object is 焼き鳥。焼き鳥をください。焼きそばをください。たこ焼きをください。お好み焼きをください。かき氷をください。わたあめをください。
焼き鳥をください。
焼きそばをください。
お好み焼きをください。
たこ焼きをください。
かき氷をください。
わたあめをください。
You just learned how to ask for something by saying をください。But sometimes people skip を the object marker. So instead of saying 焼き鳥をください, you can also say 焼き鳥ください。
焼き鳥ください。
焼きそばください。
お好み焼きください。
たこ焼きください。
かき氷ください。
わたあめください。
たこ焼きください。
マヨネーズかける。はい、ありがとうございます。
おいしい。
See you soon! またね!